Okay, let's head on out. Well, we're getting started. It's, what is this, the 17th?
Yes.
July 17th. We're on the trail about 7 o'clock. We're leaving Susie Lake and we are heading further into the Desolation Wilderness. Okay. One last look back at Susie Lake.
Susie Lake
Yeah,
and the Granite Mountain.
yeah, a lot of granite around here. Okay, we're still climbing up to Dick's Pass here. We got about, I think it's around 1,500 feet of climb, but it's been pretty gradual so far, so pretty easy. And the trail is not anywhere near as rocky as yesterday. Knock on wood or knock on rock, something. Knock on something, because man, that was a lot of work, constantly, trying to find your footing on a bed of rocks. It slows you down a bit. Well, we got, let's see, we've gone 2.4 miles, 800 feet up, so we got probably another 700 feet or so to go.
Okay. Nice. And then you are rewarded with this beautiful view.
Well, I'm hearing the weird owl sound. And there's a bird there. What is that? I see some kind of bird right there. But I don't think that's what's making the noise. Maybe it is, because it puts its head down when then the noise starts. Well, let's see. That's it. That's the bird. That is the bird. I finally found it.
We didn't see any last night.
You hear that sound? I finally, after 500 miles, have found the culprit. Okay, not quite to the top of Dick's Pass yet, but this is the view looking toward the north, and we still got to go up there. Maybe a couple hundred feet more. What do you think, Amoy?
It's gorgeous. It's the rewards for the uphill and the rocks.
Yeah,
Can you imagine up there how much prettier it's gonna be?
Yeah. Okay, well, let's go up there and find out.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, made it. Top of Dick's Pass.
And that's what you get.
And Marta's loving the view.
Cannot see very well. Oh, chipmunk, chipmunk. Chipmunk, chipmunk. Hurry, hurry.
Okay, we're heading out from Dick's Pass, and I just checked far out, and it looks like predominantly downhill from here on for the rest of the day. We're hoping for some decent trail. We had a little bit of rockiness here, but
A little bit.
maybe we'll get back to some nice flat trail. If that's the case, then we could easily do a 20-mile day today. So let's see.
Shall see.
Yep.
Hope for.
Okay, this is looking back where we came from. So we just exited the Desolation Wilderness. So you can burn your permit now, Amoy.
Okay, Mama.
Oh, but wait a minute.
We shouldn't
No
do that.
campfires.
Yeah.
No fires allowed.
So I'll take home with me and I'll shred it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Stamp on it a few times. Pound on it with some rocks. No, we go past this lake. This must be Richardson.
Oh, the exit toward the
Yeah. Yeah, well, it's after Richardson, but it's the exit's closest to that lake, so, but we're not going out the exit, folks, don't worry. We are continuing on. We're going to Truckee. The Truckee is still a couple days away. Okay, that's a wrap for July 17th. We had a pretty good day here. We got on trail about, what was it, about 7 o'clock?
7.
And we did almost 20 miles. and we had a couple thousand feet of climbing, so that was pretty good. I bumped into a guy that I hadn't seen in probably 800 or 900 miles, so it was weird to see that guy all of a sudden. And we saw some nice lakes and you know, the usual pine trees, and there was some, of course, there were some rocky sections which I didn't approve of, but there's nothing I can really do about it. Mosquito. And what else? What else happened?
The weather was great.
Yep.
Never too hot, sunny, lots of shade from the beautiful trees. And now we have these guests that nobody invited, but they self-invited for dinner. But we're done, so we're going to bed.
Yeah.
Close the tent, done.
Yeah.
But it was a good day. It was a great day. Very, very pretty. Very pretty. Again, the lake. So enjoy while you have them.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's right. Okay.
Okay. Good night.
Good night, everybody. See you tomorrow.